incredible. Bro, he's playing drum as if he's the drummer there, bro. Hey guys, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. Now, I'll be reacting to Phil Collins. The song I'll be reacting to is In the Air Tonight Live HD. Let's see what he's about right now. I guess that's him. Wow. Bro. Before I go any further, is this a rock and roll performance? Because if it's a rock and roll performance, my mind will be blown away. So many people can turn up to witness this man. That means he sings awesome music. I want to get caught in this trap. I want to get caught. So let's continue.
I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord. Well, I've been waiting for this moment all my life. Oh Lord, can you feel it coming in the air tonight? Oh Lord, oh Lord.
I wasn't even expecting that. Nope. To be honest, I wasn't even expecting that voice. I was expecting something even more smaller or something even more thinner, but that voice is out of this world. Ain't no way this is him. Ain't no way this is him. He can't be the one that's singing this right now. What? What?
Well, if you told me you were drowning, I would not lend a hand. oh my friend, but I don't know if you know who I am. Well, I was there and I saw what you did, saw it with my own two eyes. So you can wipe off that grin, know where you've been, some in a packed life.
This guy is so cool. Can somebody please tell me how old is this phenomenal singer? How old is Phil Collins? Bro, Phil, man.
And I can feel it coming in the air. Oh Lord, I've been waiting for this moment all my life. Oh Lord, I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord, well, I've been waiting for this moment all my life. Oh Lord.
Bro, he sings awesome, bro. There's no auto-tune. There's nothing. It's just musical instruments. And he's singing as if he's in a studio performing. There ain't no way. This is incredible, guys. This is so incredible.
Oh Lord, I remember, don't worry. How could I ever forget? It's the first time and the last time we ever met. But I know the reason why you keep your silence, sir. No, you don't fool me, 'cause I heard guys will shout, pain still grows, still stranger to you and me. I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord.
Hey, what the fuck? Bro, that drum roll, that's killer, bro. That drum roll is killer, bro. What the hell?
I've been waiting for this moment for all my life. Oh Lord, I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord, I've been waiting for this moment all my life. Oh Lord, oh Lord, feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord, I've been waiting for this moment all my life. Oh Lord, I feel it coming in the air. Feel it coming in the air. Been waiting for this moment all my life.
Bro, Phil is incredible. Bro, he's playing drum as if he's the drummer there, bro. He's singing, he's playing drum. Bro, I want to see him on the guitar next. I'm waiting patient. Let's see, let's see, let's see.
Waiting for this moment all
an astounding performance, bro. I feel so amused. I'm feeling excellent right now. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please let me know which next song of your choice I should react to next for Phil Collins. I'll see you there. Please stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back with you. Peace out.